I am again, guys. So naglalakad nga pala kami. We are going to, me and Didi Monica will go to market. So for the update, guys, Didi Monica and 2 kids are here nga pala at nagbabakasyon here in Shimla. So for like 15 days. So ayan, we are decided to go to the Mall Road. I have to do something also, to do my ear piercing and to buy something and maybe to eat also. Let's see what we can do there. And actually I plan to go with Adi, with Abby and Aki. The thing is Adi is in the school, so Aki and Abby don't want also to come. So me and Didi Monica only going to market. And we are walking because we cannot able to ride in the how you call this one? How you call van? Is it van, Didi? That one? Yes. That one? Yeah, the one we have to supposed to ride. It's a van. How you call that one? Van? Truck? Truck? Van. Yeah, it's a van. So it's already full. So that's why we are going to the cab. Yeah, cab. They call it cab. I don't know, but it looks van because it's big, like minibus like that. So that is actually the way of their transportation here in Shimla, like a minivan, parang ganun. So, hindi katulad sa atin na it's a jeep. So ayan, we cannot able to ride there because it's too full. I said let's go there better to the main, how you call, main station, like cab station. So there we are walking for like maybe 8 minutes, guys. Yeah, it's very near na. You know that we are always walking na. I said it's good to walk because we can exercise. Our tummy will be less because every time we're just eating. So it's good to walk. It's opportunity also to get a chance to walk, because me, I cannot able to walk, you know, guys, that I'm busy whole day in the house. So that's actually my way of exercise, of doing all the house chores and stuff in the house. So I'm okay in that. So taking this opportunity that we can able to walk, so it's fine. Let's go. I said to Didi, let's go and walk. So I will update you guys later on what will be our ganap in the Mall Road. I will show you some snap in the Mall Road. Okay, guys? So ayan nga pala, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan po ang aming lugar. Napakita ko sa inyo ang harap. Yan. Doon kami sasakay. Ayan. Doon kami sasakay. 8 minutes walking, it's fine. So ayan, guys. So I'm here sa mga bago sa ating channel. I am here in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh of India. So ayan, guys. So actually, guys, we are in the middle of how you call this one, middle of, like, the winter is going and the summer is coming. So it's like this. Hindi pa siya ganun kalamig, hindi na siya ganun kalamig, at hindi pa rin siya ganun kainit. So parang ganun, in the middle, guys. So actually pa summer na, so good, at least maramdaman na natin ang summer, kasi nga for how many 3 to 4 months ay very cold na. So it's good thing and good news for me. So guys, meron nga pala akong good news din sa inyo. So ayan, may good news din ako sa inyo dahil na-receive na ni Daddy yung message from the cellphone that my Aadhaar card will be sent to me in the post, in their post. So let's see, mga 1 week siguro yun. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo kapag nasa akin na yung Aadhaar card ko. So good for me, guys. Congratulate you naman ako, ano, kasi at least may OCI na ako, may Aadhaar card na ako. And next sa Aadhaar card, I can get my, I can apply for my how you call this one, I can apply for my account, or what is bank. Yeah, my bank account I can apply. So it's good for me, so I can able, you know, to do my things also, like I can be independently I can independently walk alone here because I have my OC already, I have my hard card, and later on I will applying for my bank account. So bank account, guys, is very important here especially in India, because you know guys, here medyo mataas-taas na yung kanilang way of ano mo yun, yung parang technology nila. Like kapag bibili ka sa mga tindahan lang dito ha, yung sa atin tindahan lang, but if you will buy into their store here, you will really you can really use your ATM, your card itself, you know, your ATM card, the one from the bank. You can use that easily because they have the Google Pay. Is it Google Pay? Yeah, so many pay na meron sila dito, pero nagagamit mo na talaga yung card. You can use your card to them. You just tap to their how you call this, scan QR code, tapos mababayaran mo na yung binili mo. You don't need a cash here. And kahit sa maliliit na tindahan lang, guys, believe me, kahit yung magtitinda lang siguro, kung sa atin ay magtitinda lang ng mga puto-puto, sa kanila may mga ganun na QR code ng mga ganun. Kahit yung mga sa tabindaan lang ng mga sabji, they have the vegetables, they can have this QR code. So guys, that's the important of bank account. So that's why I'm happy kasi I have my Aadhaar card now. So guys, I will update nyo kapag nandito na sa kamay ko. I will show you guys. So yun lang, dyan lang muna kayo at antabayan nyo lang ako mamaya. Pupunta namin ng Mall Road. See you guys. Guys, andito na kami sa Mall Road ni Didi. At ayan, papakita ko sa inyo may bagong tayo na tindahan dito. Miniso. So good guys for me. So ayan, pasukin natin. Let's see what's inside. They have yung mga bottle. Remind me, small one, Didi. May candle pa sila. Yes. No, nice. $200.
Only one water bottle.
Huh?
Milk bottle.
What milk bottle? I don't need milk bottle. I need the Didi. Small Tupperware. Chain guys, ayan. May bag din sila. May parang pouch. Si Didi is very cute, no? Where's the price? Now this one. $7.50. Oh, such nice. Daming wallet. Ay, ang gaganda nga naman. Ayan mo, bag. Wow. Ganda ng bag. Kit na this one, baby? 1,000. Same as this? 650. This is ano na, nice, very cute. Wait lang. Is it cotton? Cotton pad? Kit na. 260 na?
For 260.
You have it small in this?
The small one downstairs.
You have it still downstairs. What do you have in there?
Downstairs stationery and towels.
I do have a basket. Do you have very small, like you can put the sauce? Like a Tupperware sauce? Do you have that?
No.
Very small? No? Like sauce, you can put sauce. Very small. No smaller than this? No. That's for the sauce, that's why. Nice. This one is a paper, no? This is different. Yeah. This is the problem. Now I have idea. Maybe I can buy like this for the sauce. Cannot find, the smallest, yeah, for my sauce, when he's going to school, so he needs sauce na. Then,
It's for like
I know, yes, everything, when you go out. Kitna this one, maybe?
It's for 299.
And what is this one?
Like squeezing water. You can put like conditioner.
Yes, squeezing na. Traveler, kitna, everything. I'm sorry. Let me check all over here. Ang dami nila guys kung ano-ano meron dito. Maybe you don't have a foot mask like a sack or something.
No. We have only face mask and hand mask.
Let me go down. I will check what is in there. So, I'm showing them the new. Maybe what is this?
It's a razor.
Eraser. Eraser for the.
Eraser.
What I will need to get from here for my kids. I forgot. I need
It's all
something.
section of stationery.
Acha, do you have any cards in here like a flashcard?
Okay.
For the flashcard like yeah, ABCD no?
No.
No like that.
No.
Like a simple stationery like not general actually. Andyan dito. How to show me how it is. Cannot open. Yeah. Long time. Maybe for mine.
It's like that.
Cannot. It's like that.
It's like that.
Acha. Sorry. Only this color. You have two colors.
There's no only two colors.
For my son, it's like this color. One how much? 170. I know. Something for me. So I know. Oh, this is the.
Earbuds.
Yeah, this one is what? Earbuds also. Get this one.
This is 190.
190. Let me actually this. And how about with this?
It's for 200.
So with that already. How many? This 500. How about this is 500. So it's good to buy this one. Sorry, I have already in the home. So I just can refill. And how about this one?
It's a jacket one. It has body wash, body lotion, shampoo, and conditioner.
And how about this one?
Tissues. Facial tissue.
Patient, I have so much also. Oh, nice. Wow. Nice. The brush. I have also, but actually I'm not using this time. So at least my son will let me have. This is towel, huh? Oh, here's the socks. Kitna the socks like 4 pieces.
So 3 pairs, it's for 200.
3 pairs.
And 6 pairs for 300.
Oh, nice. But in this color, no? You don't have to like
Only like
light color. And for this one,
it's for 260. 3 pairs.
hindi pa rin. This is what size? Any size?
Like 36.
Oh,
UK food.
this is mine. Kitna? 2.
260.
And this one is for.
It's for 400. 5 pairs.
It's quite nice color. And 111 also. You can pick na din this one more.
It's for 180.
180. Oh, this is 2 for 3. 2.
3 for 260.
3. 260, no? It's so good. What color I should have to? Favorite color is yellow. Black. White. That is nice combination.
Black, green, and white.
It's also nice. It's not easily take off from the foot. It's not easily, no? Let me try. So ayan guys, dito na kami sa gitna ng Mall Road. Naglalakad lang kami, punta kami sa Lower Bazaar. Kasi note na, ear piercing ako. So ayan guys, ito pa rin yung makikita nyo. Ayun lang nagbago, may bagong dating na Miniso sa ating Mall Road. So ayan. Good thing guys, mainit na talaga. Pero ang lahat ay mga naka-jacket pa rin. Kasi unpredictable kasi ang panahon. Minsan malamig tapos sobrang hangin. Hindi mo talaga kakayanin. Lalo na kung pahapon, lumalamig na siya. Kapag day lang yon, medyo mainit. Pero usually pagka pahapon na, malamig na. So kaya din naka-jacket siguro yung mga tao. Para in case na sila ay abuti ng gabi, they still can carry on walking here and roam around. Kasi usually mga tao dito guys ay mga taga-ibang lugar. I mean mga tourist. Kasi nga Shimla is the summer capital of India. So kung sa atin ay Baguio ang summer capital, here is Shimla. Ito pong lugar ng aking asawa. So here you go. You will see many tourists here. Minsan nakikita rin ako ng isang beses Pilipino. Ganon. Kasi marami talagang pumupunta dito. Ayan. Ang daming tao. Pero actually, umunti na sila. Hindi katulad dati na sobrang. Kahapon kasi ay Holy. Kahapon ba yun? Isang araw. Nung isang araw ay Holy. So, ayan. Hindi talaga kami sumadya kasi mapupulog kami ng colors kapag Holy. So, ayan. Hanap tayo ng pang air piercing natin. So, ayan guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. I'll show you later again. So guys, this is where Didi Monica is studying before. So she do also the fashion and designer course. So you see guys the name, All India Women Conference. So those are the teacher that Didi Monica is a friend. So long time ago, she already graduated from here. She is diploma holder of a fashion and designer course. So here are the class, and this is what they are doing. Hello. So they do the stitching and all this thing, guys. So this is all the students for now, for this course. Sewing guys.
आज भी मैम क्या बोलते हैं, मैं पिछले कल उनके
Ayan guys, meron din sa kanila ng mga ganito. You will see guys.
मेरे भाभी ये फिलीपींस से है ये।
So ayan guys, kita nyo meron mga ganito din sila tahian course. Ayan guys, kita nyo. Ang galing ng kanilang machine, oh. Hindi na kailangan ng paa. Old style siguro yun. Ito kamay lang, kita nyo guys, wala ng paa. Kamay lang. Yan ang sewing machine nila dito. Kamay lang ang labanan. So ayan guys. Chicken. Make it fair, okay? Bit far, Didi.
इसी में ही रहेगी फिर।
हाँ जी मैम।
ओके।
हाँ लगा मैम। मिरर।
Success. No. Pay more is when take off only. But it's like that, no, you cannot really.
हाँ जी मैम।
Fair na, fair.
Sorry?
Fair.
हाँ।
Fair na, sige.
मैम। ये वाला मैम।
Kachak.
शौक बड़ा कि दर्द?
6,780 मैम।
Wow, nice.
इससे अगर छोटा बनवाना
छोटा भी है मैम।
Awesome.
मिल जाएंगे हाँ जी।
किस रेट तक पड़ेगा वो?
जी मैम दिखाते हैं। गड़गे जरा देना है।
Oh, very nice. I love it. Nice, Didi. Guys, success. See? I will put also. Thank you so much.
कहाँ से चाहिए आपको एग्जैक्टली?
हाँ
ये भी किया है ना?
एक सेकंड छोड़ दीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए। शीशे में देख लीजिए।
Use by your hands. More painful, yes. I must say it's more painful than to this one. I just did this one also now. Just now, there down. You do this one also? No, only this one. No. I did this in the. Yeah. No, I don't want to.
It's very painful.
Really, no? Because it's all bones there, no? I feel hot. Guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa Mall Road Ridge. Yan. Punta kasi kami sa McDo. Bibili namin si ate ng fries. Kumain na kasi kami sa Auntie. Yung Auntie, yung parang Chinese restaurant yun. So, dahil nandito sa taas ang McDo. So, doon tayo bumili. Ito guys, ang situation ngayon ng Mall Road Ridge. Yan. Kukunti ang tao guys, ano? Kasi nga painit na. Napupuntahan lang usually ang mga tourist dito kapag snowfall, pag malamig na malamig. Dito yung iba nagka-honeymoon. So since painit na siya, pa-summer na, so kakunti na yung tao. Ganun. Ganon, pak ganon. Mangyayari. Yan. Tingnan nyo, may nakapalda na, oh. Diba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya malamig. At ako'y maghuhubad din ng aking damit sa McD. Makainit itong suot ko. So, ayan ang church. Guys. Yan. Ganda dito kasi maraming upuan. Yung mga iba na gusto lang mag-date-date lang, ayan, upo ka lang sa tabi-tabi, nakapag-date ka na. Tulad nito, ang daming upuan. Ayan. Let's go! Church. Christian church ito guys. So dito sa likod ang McDo. Ayun, doon. Ano ka? What they are selling here, Dede? What they're selling here? Chana. Acha. Like a snack. Go to McD because Didi want to go washroom. Oh? Joke.
और नंबर 111 pick up.
Rengo, are you sir?
Didi, oh, I see. हाँ दीदी